Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again on your best, and you're welcome to On Your Best Beauty Patente. Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you're doing perfectly okay. Okay, welcome to my channel. If you know you're a newcomer, you've not seen something like this. Okay, we're welcoming you and we are telling you to calm down and don't be in a hurry. Okay, just go through these chapters by chapter one. We have them as a playlist. Okay, so that you get through with what we are doing from before. Then you join us for where we are. Okay, now this is Pericolo Signal. We have this particular playlist waiting for you from the beginning. Okay, when you're done with chapter one, this is chapter two. Pericolo Signal, you go through them. We are down up to chapter, I think up to chapter 11 right now. Okay, I'll go and check. Okay, but just know we have all other chapters. The reason why I'm doing this video is to complete chapter 2 because I see there's some video lacking. Okay, so go through all them, calm down, and you will get there. Don't be discouraged. Okay, now let us jump right into this one. We're doing Strettoia simmetrica. Strettoia simmetrica. Okay, now that it means that in this carreggiata there's a, should I say, in Italy we call it stringere. Okay, it means the road is shrinking or the road has shrinked. Let us use that word. Okay, so it means there's a narrowness here. È un segnale di pericolo che preannuncia normally 150 meter ahead. This signal they want you. Remember, say signale di pericolo doesn't tell you that the danger has started, but the danger is waiting for you 150 meter ahead. Una strettoia simmetrica. This is strettoia, ossia un restringimento su due lati della strada. It means that now there's a narrowness. There is a narrowing, but for the both sides of the road. Now, when you look at the signal, this is the road, but you see that the both side is stringer. It has stringed. It is shrinked. Okay, on the both side, you see here is shrinked, here is shrinked. That means now narrowness don't come. So how do we do this type of thing? Let us see. Con probabile difficoltà di incrocio con i veicoli provenienti da senso opposto. Now I say there's a difficulty right now with you and the vehicle coming from opposite direction to go at the same time. Se a fondo giallo. Now, if this particular signal not there for white background like this inside, can be yellow. È posto in presenza di un cantiere stradale. Now, it means that if it is not white and it is yellow here, it is being placed where there is an ongoing road work. There are men at work. Okay, then you see it's yellow sign. It means that initially the road is not like this, but because of this road work, the road has there's a narrowness in this carreggiata now. The both sides is shrinked due to road work, not because that is how the road is. When you see it with white background like this, it tell you what in. Normally before, today, even tomorrow, now so this road be. Okay, that means nothing custom. That's how it is. That's how you guys just have to manage. Okay, but when you see the yellow background, it tell you say not be so it be before, but because of this road work, okay, there is now a narrowness. So you guys have to alternate. You have to choose who go first and who doesn't go first. But that would be with a signal. Okay, a signal would help you guys to do those things. Or traffic light or agente di traffico. Either of these three can help you guys to know what to do, who goes first and who stays. Okay, and wait for the other people to go and all that. You have to alternate. That's just it. Okay, but just know that if it is white background like this is how the road is. If it is yellow background inside here, it tells you due to the road work. It is not like this initially. Comporta di moderare la velocità. Se necessario arrestarsi. Now this signal tells you moderate your speed. If it is possible, stop. Now I told you that when you see something like this, you might see something like this, a signal, either this one or this one. Let me show you a signal. These two. You have to see them. Where you can see that signal. Where you can see this signal, okay, you see them to either tell you to go or not to go. So if you're seeing this blue alongside this signal, it tells you go, you have right of way. If you're seeing the red, it tells you stop. They on the other end have the right of way to go. Why is it like that? Because at this time, two vehicles cannot go again. This is a two-way circulation, but because of the stringimento, there's a narrowness right now. Okay, the road don't shrink. But I know if you go at the same time, even if there's two-way circulation, you cannot go at the same time. So one has to stop and one has to go. One has to stop again, one has to go. So we use the signal to now help us to do this passaggio. Okay, but in the absence of signal, say maybe you see what's it called, semaphore, which is the traffic light, you use semaphore and go. If you see agente de traffico, which is the traffic warder, you use them and go. Okay, so you look out for these things. Now in this case, because we have a signal here, and the signal is telling us dare precedenza, which is this red one, together with our restringimento signal on both sides of the carreggiata. Now we now know, okay, this road is two-way circulation, but because the road is now shrinked, we cannot go at the same time, so one person has to wait. Then for me to know who has to wait, I have to look on that and look at this signal that tells me wait. Okay, this signal tells you dare precedenza, you have to wait. On the other hand, those people are seeing another signal, which is this blue one, telling them to go, that they have the right of way. Okay, they have the right of way. Now, when we get to precedenza signal, I have the full playlist on precedenza. Go and look for precedenza signal on the playlist. Precedenza signal will now tell you when you see this particular dare precedenza that you have to stop. There's a possibility that where this signal is, you might see semaphore again that is showing green light. What you have to do, you might see this signal showing you that you have to wait. This is dare precedenza. Wait for those people, they have the right of way. Those people on the other end. This one tell you stop, they have the right of way, wait for them. You might see semaphore, red light again, together with this signal telling you stop, you have to wait for them. Then you see agente di traffico that is telling you pass. What do you have to do? Go to precedenza signal and watch the playlist, so you know who has the power amongst these three: agente di traffico, semaphore, and this signal itself. Okay, one person, you must obey just one person. When you see the three of them, one person has to tell you what to do. Is it the signal? Is it agente di traffico? Is it semaphore? So you have to go and watch my signal di precedenza. Okay, so a playlist. So we don't log this particular one. What we are talking here is this Strettoia. Basta. We have Strettoia on the both side of the carreggiata that affects it. Okay, the signal just tell you there's a Strettoia. You cannot go in CMA with the other people. One has to go, one has to stop. Who has to go? Something has to tell me. Either the signal, either semaphore, either agente di traffico. Okay. Now this is it again. There's a Strettoia. But this time you see that because there's a roadwork. So this time it should come with a yellow background. It's here, but the picture is not clear. You will see a yellow background here telling you the road is not like this, but because of roadwork, the both side of the carreggiata is affected. Now there's only one place for you guys to go. Okay, now you cannot go together in semi because this is a two-way circulation, but you cannot go together. One has to stop, one has to go. Okay, and on the other hand, here we'll see the direct precedenza. That is why this red vehicle is stopping. That red vehicle is seeing this signal, this red one. Is saying this red one, so it's stopping, and the white one is saying the blue one, diritto di precedenza. This one, the white one is saying that one here. That is why he is moving. Okay, so the both side is affected. In this particular one, there's a road walk. Now only one side is affected, the right part of the road. So we are using the left part to go. It's two-way circulation, so one has to wait and one has to go. Now over here we see direct precedenza. It means if I'm coming here, I have to stop for those people to come. Because of this signal, direct precedenza. And I'm still seeing semaphore red lights telling me to stop again, so I have to stop. Like I told you, when you watch my signal di precedenza, it is possible that this red light will be green. And I have to throw away this signal and obey the red light, the green light. Okay? It is possible that I will see this direct precedenza, which is telling me to stop, but I will see a semaphore telling me green light. Now it is now up to me, with my knowledge, to know what I have to do. It means I have to go. I have to abandon the signal. It doesn't function at this moment. What is functioning now is the semaphore. Okay? Because semaphore has power over the signal. Let me not go much into that. It's in my precedenza signal. So if you are interested, you go and watch that one. Okay, so that's how it is. You have to know what to do at this point, whereby one has to go and one has to stop. The same thing applies to Strettoia, simmetrica, sinistra. We have that of the sinistra. Tell us the same thing. You see it 150 meters ahead before that type of road, telling you the road is affected by the left. You only have the right side and you have to alternate. One has to go, one has to stop. So who has to go? I have to watch out for signal. I have to watch out for semaphore. I have to watch out for vigilant, what's it called? The traffic warder. Okay, agente di traffico, to tell me what to do. Am I to go? Are they to stop? Or am I to stop? Are they to go? Okay, so you have to watch out for these things. And you have to watch out if the two of them are together. If semaphore is there and signal is there, you have to watch out for what these two are saying. Okay, one has power over one. And if the three of them are there, signal, agente di traffico, semaphore, I have to watch out for who has power over the both of them, and I obey just one. Okay, which in this case should be your agente di traffico. Okay. Now that's how it works. Moderate your speed. If it is necessary, arrestarsi. Sono vietati il sorpasso, la sosta, inversione di marcia e la retromarcia. You are forbidden to do overtaking. You are forbidden to park. You are forbidden to do a U-turn. You are forbidden to do a reverse, where you did Strettoia. Non è vero che preannuncia un senso unico alternato con obbligo di dare la precedenza ai veicoli provenienti da altro senso. It is not true that this signal alone tells you that you are obliged to stop and give precedence to people coming from opposite direction. This signal does not tell you that. This signal only announces this Strettoia for you. This signal only tells you, have it in mind. This road, there's a Strettoia by the left side is affected. You have to alternate to go with other people because na two-way circulation. Just as at this moment, both of you cannot go in CM. That's what the signal tells you, basta. This signal does not tell you that when you get to this particular Strettoia, 150 ahead, you have to stop and allow them to go. No. The only reason why you do that is when there's a signal like this, when there's a semaphore, or when there's a agente di traffico. Okay? And that's that for this particular one. We have also the one that goes to the right. Okay, so we also have to the right. It's been affected. The same thing applies to it. So watch out for Strettoia. Strettoia, the same rules apply. Calm down. Don't overtake. Don't park. Don't do U-turn and don't do reverse. Okay? If you have any question regarding this sign, ask in the comment section. I will give you a reply. Okay? And if you have not liked my video, what are you waiting for? Go and like my video. Click on the subscribe button if you're not. On the notification bell, è importante. That's where you get notified as I drop a new video. Okay, see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.